one of our favorite flows is the About Us flow. So About Us is a flow that every new hire coming into Assembly answers in order to introduce themselves, in order to share some fun facts, and in order to really kick off the conversation with a great first impression. So for us, we answer questions like, what is your preferred name? What are your pronouns? Where are you born? Where are you from? Where were you working before you joined the team? Hobbies and interests of yours, favorite media. And then we love this question specifically, which is really a guide of how your peers should be working with you. So preferred communication patterns and channels, your work hours, how you like async versus synchronous work, how you like to receive feedback, how you like to be challenged, whatever. We really leave this up to the employee to actually go and to define those things. But what it creates is a moment of intentionality that is often missing from our different organizations, where people come in and they shake hands and they introduce themselves, but we often don't know, some of those key details around who they are and where they're from, what they like, and how they like to be worked with. So the About Us flow really allows you to structure those first moments. And if you don't like our questions, this might be a pattern at this point, but we actually have a template for that. You can jump in, you can pick the About Us template, click Use Template. And once you are in the editor, you can actually go and change those questions to your liking. So all of this is fully customizable, structure it however you would like. And then once that flow is created, we say that we want our entire organization to be able to participate. So everyone on their first day can come in and participate. And we want the entire organization to be able to view who's participating as they join the team.